Welcome to Management Made Simple.
Hi, I'm Anthony Francis, and today I want to talk to you about not becoming one of the 40% of new leaders who fail within their first 18 months. Yes, it's a startling statistic. 40% of new leaders fail within their first 18 months in the role. But the question is, why is this figure so high? And more importantly, how can you ensure that you're not part of it? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. It's getting effective coaching and mentoring. So why do I say this? Well, for one, I'm a business leadership coach, but more importantly, you first have to understand the challenge that new leaders face and why they often struggle. You see, stepping into a leadership role can be overwhelming. You're suddenly responsible not just for your work, but also for the success and development of your team. So from managing diverse personalities to making strategic decisions that will affect the future trajectory of the company, the pressure is intense. And doing so without the right tools and support, the transition can be too much, leading to those high figures I mentioned. So right now, this is where coaching and mentoring can play such an important part. You see, imagine having a seasoned guide by your side, someone who's been there, who's got the t-shirt, and who can share insights not found in textbooks. That's what a good coach or mentor brings to the table. Let me now break down how this can make such a real difference. Number one, tailored guidance. Unlike generic leadership programs, coaching is highly personalised. Number two, skill enhancement. Leadership involves a broad range of skills, some of which might not come naturally. Communication, delegation, conflict resolution, and emotional intelligence, just to name a few areas where new leaders might need development. Number three, confidence building. Many new leaders falter simply because they doubt themselves. A mentor instills confidence through encouragement, constructive feedback, reinforcing the capabilities and preparing you to handle tough situations with assurance. Number four, perspective sharing. It's easy to get tunnel vision in high-pressured roles. Coaches and mentors provide a broader perspective, helping you see the bigger picture and avoid common pitfalls. And then finally, number five, a support system. Leadership can be very lonely. Having a coach or mentor means there's someone in your corner ready to listen and offer support when things get tough. To be honest, this emotional and professional support is often underestimated and can be the difference between flourishing and floundering. So what can you take from all this? Well, it's clear that the transition to leadership is no small task. Trust me, I know. But with the right support system in the form of a coach or a mentor, you can gain the skills, confidence, and perspective needed to not only survive, but to thrive in your new role. If all of this has made you see the importance of coaching or mentoring is to your leadership success, the question arises, what can you do next? Well, you could learn more about my Elevate Leadership Accelerator programs by simply DM me Elevate to find out more.